Hi there! Welcome to Fairfax Cryobank. Are you ready to potentially grow your family with donor sperm? The journey to parenthood can be overwhelming, and we want you to know that at Fairfax Cryobank, we're here to support you every step of the way. Let's help you get started. The first thing to do is create an account on our website. Please provide your information on our Create a New Account link so that you can view our donor information and save your favorite donors to your profile. Our Donor Search is a user-friendly tool to filter through the available donors on our website. You can filter through physical characteristics, personality, and genetic information. If you would like to see more in-depth data about our donors, we recommend purchasing a 90-day access package to view the additional information on our donor profiles. We always recommend clearing any potential donors with your medical team before purchasing vials. Before you search for a donor, confirm with your licensed medical professional what preparation type is preferred for your insemination procedure and what characteristics you should be looking for in your donor. Typically, clients purchase 3 to 4 vials per donor insemination cycle. It is recommended that you purchase at least 4 vials per pregnancy. The best way to plan for a future sibling is to purchase 8 or more vials and take advantage of our free 2-year storage and vial buyback program. Future availability is not guaranteed. When you are ready to order vials, you will need to make sure Fairfax Cryobank paperwork is completed. We require paperwork to create a purchasing account, the Terms of Use letter. This can be signed electronically and is the agreement between Fairfax Cryobank and you, the purchaser of the donor semen. If your donor is a carrier of a genetic condition, there will also be an acknowledgement of genetic risk form that is on the donor's profile, next to where you can view their genetic testing results. You can order vials through our website by adding the vials to cart and checking out, or by calling our client services team and placing your order by phone. We will need to know the donor information, preparation type, and the shipping address of your clinic. If you are shipping to a home address or international clinic, please speak to our team to request further information about what forms are required. Once you are ready to purchase your vials, you will need to determine what the next step of your process looks like. Are you going to be shipping the vials to your clinic for a procedure that is coming up? Our team would love to help you schedule your shipment. If you are not ready to ship your order yet, we are happy to provide information about our on-site storage. We offer competitive rates at $45 a month and have prepaid long-term storage programs as well. And just like that, you've started the process of growing your family with your ideal donor. And don't worry if you still have more questions. Our highly trained client services team is happy to answer any questions that you may have about our ordering process and to help you place your first order. Once you are ready, call us at 1-800-338-8407.